Dr. Amir, why asthma causes cough?
Asthma can cause coughing due to airway inflammation and sensitivity. The inflamed airways produce excess mucus, leading to coughing as the body tries to clear the mucus. Additionally, the narrowing of air passages during an asthma attack can trigger coughing as the body attempts to restore normal airflow.
Dr. Amir, what is whooping cough?
Whooping cough, or pertussis, is a highly contagious bacterial infection that primarily affects the respiratory system. It causes severe, persistent coughing fits often followed by a distinctive whooping sound as the person inhales. Vaccination is crucial, particularly in infants and young children.